In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a shadow effect to a picture in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. If you already have your Microsoft Word document, simply open that as to where you have saved that. And in here, you just need to simply click on the Insert button, click on Picture, click on this device, and I'm just going to go with this picture. Okay, so using this picture, we are going to apply the shadow effect. So you have to select the picture first. Okay, let me just quickly move it from here. Okay, so once you have your photo, you have to select it. In order to select it, you have to click on it, and the picture format tab will appear right here on the ribbon. Now you have here picture effects. Apply a visual effect to the picture. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you can find shadow. And you have here for outer and for inner and for the perspective. So it's up to you. How would you want it in based on your requirement or your preference? Now let me go with this one, perspective. Okay. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a shadow to a picture in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.